Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Nokia C12. You need to begin by accessing Play Store on both and clicking on the search bars. When you're ready, type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up about new updates, you can choose Not Now if you want to. Then, to close it, click on OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of this Nokia smartphone and Receive next to Send at the bottom of Nokia C12. Also on C12, tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to the other Nokia device. On it, you can select all of those categories at the top, and in them click on dots located at the top left corners. This way you will select multiple files at once from your category. You can also just click on the chosen ones, like this photo. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose one of those connection ways. If you want to scan the QR code, use this scanning icon next to Input key on Nokia C12. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this key though, tap on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!